Keep squeaking. Squeak it some more. Just squeak it. Don't open the door. Just squeak it. What's that, Foxy? Foxy, what's that? Foxy, what's that? What's that, Foxy? Oh, what is that? A toy? Want to play toys? Oh, you want to play toys? Oh, get him. Get the toy. Foxy, get the toy. Foxy, get your toy. Where's the toy, Foxy? Foxy, where's the toy? Ready? Ready? Somebody get that toy! Foxy, get the toy! Who's got the squeaky toy? Who's got the squeaky toy? Uh-oh. You're driving that dog crazy. Poor Foxy. Look at her face.
Oh, stop! No dogs allowed.
Foxy wants a squeaky toy.
Okay, just open it up.
She's so confused.
No, it's just a horn.
Oh, don't let her chew it. No. Don't let her chew it.
Christmas toy.
She can't. It goes.
My Christmas toy.
Yeah, she's just looking at it.
It's my Christmas toy. It's my Christmas toy.
Uh-oh.